Fun Assemble Alien Tutorial. There are a total of 4 packages for this product. There are 12 pieces. This package is 16 pieces. This package is 48 pieces. This package is 80 pieces. These rainbow sheets are as thin as paper stamps, with double-sided barcode. These are the rainbow sheets needed to match the alien. Prepare 9 rainbow sheets. Start to put together the alien's head and arms. Next, put on its body. Such an alien look is about to appear. Then put its leg together. Connect with the body. Such an alien is about to be completed. Use your imagination and hands-on ability to unlock more interesting ways to play.